Greetings, yes, greetings, and more greetings to you, good people. My name is DJ Holly, and welcome to Point 5 Creative Studios. If it's your first time here, join your subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any exciting content uploaded like this one. And yes, anzi nemukuru ndichafeeda nyika yese. Hapana Achafa Nenzara nditika. Mawani ndonyanda nayo zvamanje pandisingatamise nguva kana une business raunaro rauda kushambadzirwa ndibate namba dzangu ndo dziri kubuda pasa apa nditika kana une nyaya yauda kuripota ndibate ndo same number idzodzo nditika saka tikatipinde munyaya yedu hanzi nemukuru I will feed the whole nation. Maguta baba, munhu wese achaguta, munhu wese achafeedwa handiti. Saka zvandoda kuita panapa da kuplay right the recording that I have, and then mozvinzwirawo mega, musazoti aiwa mukomana aita sei aiti bhaiza handiti, aiwa mukuru ati maguta kuvanhu.
No one will starve President Mnangagwa. President Emerson Mnangagwa says government has put in place measures to guarantee food security in the wake of the El Nino-induced lean summer cropping season. He was speaking at the handover of 100 service vehicles to traditional leaders in Harare this Thursday. The assurance that the country is food secure comes at a time when the entire southern African region is battling a lean summer season because of climate change.
Right, sezvamurungonzwawo sezvamurukuzivawo kuti hakuna kunaya gore rino iri handitika kwakati omei climate change zvinhu zviri kuchinja, weather iri kuchinja, but mukuru ari kusimbisa panapa kuti hanzi hapana munhu achafa nenzara, no one will starve. Mawani reka tiende nacho muzvinzwire mega plani yemukuru kuti vari kuita sei. Aiwa pakashata.
Addressing the traditional leaders, President Mnangagwa said despite the El Niño weather phenomenon, government has put in place measures to ensure there is adequate food for every citizen. Because of the dire effects of the El Nino weather phenomenon, I want to assure the nation that measures have been put in place to guarantee adequate food for all communities of our country.
Hanzi plan yatopo and yatoiswa motion kuti every citizen, munhu wese, hazvina basa kuti uri weMDC, uri weCCC, uri weZANU-PF, aiwa mukuru ari kuti munhu wese.
I appeal to you as traditional leaders to go and reassure our people that no communities will starve. As chiefs, you are all embracive in the manner you deal with your people, and I urge this spirit to continue, while the identification of vulnerable households in particular. Widows and child-headed families should be undertaken timely. Let us continue to preach peace, love, unity, and hard work among our people, he said. Government expressed its commitment to improving traditional leaders' conditions of service through various initiatives. Further, my government will continue to provide medical insurance to our chiefs, headmen, and village heads from all communal areas. At the same time, the government has put in place a funeral assistance package for chiefs.
Yeah, machiefs zvavo zvakanaka baba. Mawani aiwa vari kutapira wakomana, vari kutapira mungomanzwa masina vari kupiwa.
Various ministries, departments, and agencies have been commissioned to provide additional services and utilities that uplift the livelihoods and standing of traditional leaders in general. These include the construction and maintenance of access roads to the homesteads of chiefs so that our people have access to the various services provided by chiefs.
Hanzi mugwagwa inofanira kugadzirwa ichinanga pamba pachief direct so that kana makuda kubatsirwa urare murodhi mota yaponja mugwagwa kudzimba dzemachief. Aiwa mawana.
The electrification of the homes of chiefs, provision of water and sanitation facilities as well as the tillage program, among other services, are equally designed to benefit our communities as a whole, he said. President of the Chiefs Council, Chief Mshane Kumalo, expressed gratitude to President Mnangagwa and his government for prioritizing the well-being and capacitation of traditional leaders. The institution of traditional leadership is humbled by your government's gesture in the provision of vehicles, allowances, and sinking of boreholes among other initiatives, he said. With Zimbabwe experiencing a lean summer season where most parts of the country have received low rainfall, the assurance by President Mnangagwa that the country is food secure indicates government's commitment to citizens' well-being.
vakashata mawani. So let me know what you think kuti bo here iri kusimbiswa nemukuru and manje information inenge yakufamba kuti chikafu tiri kunochiwana kupi, zvinhu zvedu zvakaita sei zvakatoenda kumberi handitika. Saka musanyanyonetseka, mukuru aita sei asimbisa. Okay, so as for me, DJ Oli, and the rest of the crew behind the scene, it's bye for now. Mawana.